Welcome to the world of plant growth. In this video, we will unlock the secrets of plant growth and share 5 essential tips to help your plants thrive. Tip number 1. Provide ample sunlight. Plants need sunlight to perform photosynthesis, so make sure they receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Tip number 2. Water your plants properly. Different plants have different watering needs, so ensure you understand the specific requirements of each plant. Tip number 3. Use high-quality soil. Good soil provides essential nutrients and proper drainage for healthy plant growth. Tip number 4. Fertilize your plants. Adding fertilizer helps replenish nutrients in the soil and promotes robust growth. Tip number 5. Prune and trim your plants. Regular pruning encourages new growth, improves plant shape, and prevents diseases.